get right into the video. Alright. I'm trying to see if I can find something to make the noise, guys. Let me think. Can I try this? Let's see. Let me pause to see if I found something. Alright, guys. I'm trying to just find some objects. Trying to make like a beat. Guys, I wanted to show you this Harry Potter jewelry box. If you're a Harry Potter fan, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. See? So this is what it looks like. It's like a jewelry box. And look, I make noise with this. Wait, hold on. So that's, if you're a Harry Potter fan, this is what it looks like. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I dropped my socks. My God. Alright, let me pause for a sec. Sorry guys, I forgot to pause, but other than that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this ASMR, making noise with my mic and finding other objects. I just wanted to find something. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social medias, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. Okay guys, I found another